chapter, we will describe the different At the end of this chapter, we will describe the different functions of the muscular system in body motion. Hello and welcome to Clipper Video. There are more than 600 skeletal muscles in your body. Did you know that? Even when you smile. Did you know that it takes 17 muscles for us to smile? So it should be obvious now that the main function of the muscular system is movement. Muscles are the only tissues in your body that have the ability to contract and therefore move parts of the body. The system of muscles, together with the bones, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, joints, and other connective tissues that support and bind organs and tissues together, is called the musculoskeletal system. It is the largest system in the human body, which consists of the muscular and skeletal systems. Its main functions are to provide form and stability, protect vital organs, support the body, and allow motion. So let's begin with the muscles. While the muscular system functions mainly for movement, it has other functions too. Aside from helping the body move from one position to another, it also keeps body posture and it produces the heat for maintaining a constant internal body temperature. There are 3 types of muscles in the muscular system: the skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found inside the body organs like the stomach, and they move involuntarily. Can you consciously control when your stomach contracts to digest the food you eat? Cardiac muscles are also involuntary muscles, and they are only found in the heart. These muscles are responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. While smooth and cardiac muscles are both parts of the muscular system, they do not aid in direct body movement. You might have guessed by now that the only voluntary muscles in our bodies are the skeletal muscles. Let's take a look at them in detail. Voluntary muscles allows us to voluntarily control our various body parts, like when we speak, walk, run, or write. You know when to move in order to do these activities, right? Skeletal muscles or voluntary muscles are also known as striated muscles because they appear striated under the microscope. The illustration shows the major skeletal muscles in the body that allows us to move those body parts consciously and to maintain the posture of your body. What causes the muscles to contract? Skeletal muscles are connected to the nervous system, as shown in the illustration. Skeletal muscles are innervated by the motor neurons or the nerve cells that form the pathway so that impulses from the brain reach the skeletal muscles. Electrical current from the nervous system are conducted through our nerves, causing muscles to contract. When the muscles contract, the pulling of one bone towards another causes the movement. What allows the contraction of muscles resulting in the motion are the sarcomeres. Look at this muscle fiber or cell. It contains sarcomeres, which are the motor units or basic units of skeletal muscles. A sarcomere is composed of long, fibrous filaments that slide past each other when a muscle contracts or relaxes. Skeletal muscles can be grouped according to their primary actions. They can be agonists, synergist, and antagonists. Agonists or prime movers are muscles chiefly responsible for producing a particular movement through contraction. The antagonists, on the other hand, are muscles whose action oppose that of an agonist. Let's consider the bending of the elbow to differentiate them. Look at the figure. When your biceps brachii contracts, it causes your arm to move towards the body. It acts as agonist since it produces a particular movement. While that movement happens, its antagonist, the triceps brachii, causes the arm to move away from the body or relax. And when the triceps brachii now is the one that contracts, it's the agonist. And the biceps brachii this time acts as the antagonist since it's the one that opposes the movement of the triceps contraction. What about synergists? Synergists assist the agonist in producing the movement. They act around a movable joint to produce motion that is similar or in concert with the agonist. Look at the brachialis in this figure. It acts as synergist during the flexing of the forearm since it assists the biceps brachii in pulling the forearm up towards the shoulder. That ends our discussion about the muscular system. I hope you learned a lot. Remember, we focused only on the skeletal muscles since they are the muscles that aid in the direct motion of the parts of our body. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.